Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place: a verified C.ai account and a clear persona file. Once done, open the bot creation panel and paste your 3 core behaviors and 5 seed intents. This accelerates learning. You should name the bot and set visibility now, because that determines training feedback. Also, make a short test script of 10 messages to validate flows. This first momentum matters. Do not delay. It frames everything that follows and prevents backtracking later. Now you build the dialogue architecture. You map 6 to 10 user journeys, including edge cases like hostility and off-topic queries, because coverage reduces misfires. Then craft 1 canonical welcome and 3 progressive fallbacks to guide recovery. Once examples exist, convert them into paired training lines. User phrase followed by the precise bot response. Make sure to tag intents and slot values. This enables conditional branching. Test each branch with the 10-message script and iterate until transitions feel natural and predictable. Finish by stress testing. Run about 50 simulated chats across your journeys and log every mismatch. Then tune parameters: temperature, max response length, and persona weight, because these control creativity versus consistency. Once adjusted, retrain only the affected intents to save time. If behavior breaks, inspect for conflicting examples or duplicate intents, remove or consolidate them, and rerun targeted tests. Finally, deploy in a limited group. Monitor analytics for 48-72 hours, and make 1 focused change at a time to avoid regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.